like touching it. Whoa! What? Was that funny? You like that? Welcome back, guys. You say hi. Yeah. We are in Anaheim, so we actually are at our hotel a little bit early. Our room is not ready. We are staying at the Hojo, and we are finally going to be going to their pool here. So we stayed here a few months ago, earlier this year, and unfortunately it was raining, so we didn't swim. But now that we have been taking swim classes recently, within the last couple months, the last couple weeks actually, the girls are excited. You want to go play with the agua? Yeah? Zaya, are you excited? Yeah?
Super juiced, guys. We've been, like, it's already almost, like, it's like 2:30. We got here around 12. And then we had lunch. And Zay's just been like, when are we going swimming? When are we going swimming? And she remembers us being here, so we have to go swimming. It's our only day to do it. Ready, Zay?
Yeah. How do you get it all the way up there?
You gotta climb it.
Sienna, do you want to go over there where that big bucket up there is gonna fall on you? You want to go on the slide over here? You're gonna turn it? Go ahead and turn it. Let's see if you can turn it on without wetting me. I didn't bring the GoPro, so I can't get this wet. Whoa! You did it! Good job! Are you gonna turn it off? Whoa! Alright! Hey, no running, Zay, no running! Whoa! What was that?
Yeah, so what? So what? Mosh. So wild boys. So what? So what? So many bad things. Hey, all I need, yo. Baby, hold up. Looking like a maple glazed donut, showing up. Whoa, what? Used to be Rugrats, now we all grown up. You can call me Tommy. You can be my Lil. I guarantee that you can get your fill of me. Yeah, they busy looking, but they still don't see. Better young Michael still couldn't move like me.
The girls are currently in like this 1 foot wading pool. I got my hat on, guys. Do I look hella different? Because I'm like not trying to get my hair wet. See? But anyway, the girls are in this wading pool, and Zay goes, so it's like 1 foot, right? She goes, what am I supposed to do in here? Because she's been taking swim class, and she's like, this ain't no swimming pool. Check her out. Okay, do it again. Ready, set. She thinks she's swimming. Good job.
Okay, get closer, get closer. You ready? All right, Zay, it's coming. Are you ready? You ready? It's coming! Whoa! Whoa! How's that? You want to do it again? All right, Leah, are you gonna be a firewoman? Come on. Here, look. Back up, baby. Look. Whoa! You got it? Whoa! Why don't you hit your sister? Hey, Aya! Where's Aya?
Aya! Here!
Hey, there you are!
Get Aya! Get Aya!
Are you having fun? Alright. Leah's about to get hit with the water! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Oh, you didn't like that? Got her. What's wrong? Was that scary? Yeah? Was that scary, baby? Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Next time I'll warn you. I just wanted to see you happy once. Uh-oh. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, baby. Come on. You're a little scaredy. Oh! Uh-oh, awa. Was that funny? Is that funny, huh? Yeah.
So these are the rules. Basically, you have to wear a swim diaper. You have to be on your bottom to go down the slide. You cannot climb the slide, and no running, right? Super easy to follow, you would think. Not if you're Zayana. She literally got in trouble for 3 out of the 4 rules, and she only didn't get in trouble for the first one because she's not a baby. So, she's definitely Jonathan's daughter. 4 o'clock on the dot, they let us in. So, we're in our room now. We've stayed here. Did you mention that already? I think you did. We've stayed here in the past, so Zay really remembers it. We're staying in building 1. If you come here, there's a quack quack. Right there. The girl's holding a quack quack in the swim area. But
Quack quack.
you want the quack quack?
Quack quack.
You can't just get the quack quack. Anyway, if you come here, the rooms in building 1 are renovated. And there, I think, are 4 other buildings that are not. So they do have an older interior. But building 1 is renovated, and I've been hearing that building 2 will be renovated by the end of this year, or starting it in November, I think. But check it out. It's like nice and colorful. They got some Mickey art in the back. Some fun pillows. Mickey right there. Oh, Leah wants to eat. Oops, locked in. Hold on.
Okay.
Zay said there's no bathroom. Zayana, there's always a bathroom. Oops.
Oh.
Excuse me, Leah. I remember I really like the bathroom here.
Here.
Ooh, look what's this, Leah. Nice and clean. They got some good lighting for your makeup. And look at that, Leah. Leah. Oh!
And a toy quack quack.
And it comes with a quack quack.
And
Cool.
A toy quack quack.
Toy. Yeah, no wonder there's a quack quack. It says, take me. So we can take that home. Okay, let's get ready for our shower.
So we are going to be doing something different this time around, where we're not going to have one big video. We're going to have little videos, so you can kind of really capture the moment of each thing that we do, because sometimes, you know, I'm editing and I want to kind of cram everything in there and still like keep the good stuff. But we are gonna go ahead, I'll end this vlog here. We are about to do a lot of fun things this trip. We have so many things planned, and we're also meeting some another YouTube family. So stay tuned to our next couple vlogs, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.